The admin pack. If you have multi-users and want to manage these users as to what forecasts they can access, you achieve this through the admin pack add-on. The admin pack also introduces budget control in that a budget can be editable, budget entry, or closed. The default admin user has full control over all functions and should be secure in a multi-user environment. With a network license, you can purchase additional users. Their default logins are user 1 and user 2. You use user maintenance to create and manage users and groups and manage their access to those forecast groups. Let's add a group. This is the group that displays in the forecast list. If a forecast is added to a group, only users with access to that group can open the forecast. Select user maintenance and then list of groups. Now add the group. Let's add Auckland. Let's also add United Kingdom. Now going to the list of users tabs, we can select user 1. Select update user 1 and from the group display box select Auckland and add this to their groups. If you remove admin group from the user 1 group, this user is now restricted to only access forecasts for which it is a member, e.g. the Auckland groups. Lists of forecasts. This option provides the ability to select a forecast and change its owner and to amend which group that forecast is in.